Kingsbridge fortunately suffered very little from air raids during World War II, but one evening, the 7:45 p.m, heading for Brent came under attack from a German bomber whose pilot presumably thought that this line was a major railhead and set out to destroy it. Train driver Dunn, having heard the sound of the aircraft, immediately knew that his train was the target. He slammed on the regulator and at full steam headed for the cover of the tunnel. As he entered its enclosure, the sound of the bombs exploding at the top of the tunnel could be heard, but he had saved the day and the lives of his passengers. Leaving Sorley Tunnel, the train followed the River Avon toward the next station, Loddiswell, situated in the lower valley. Opened on the 19th of December 1893, it was in fact nearer to the parish of Woodley, the village of Loddiswell being a hard mile's walk away and mostly uphill. The platform was on a slight curve, and a regular feature in later years was the presence of camping coaches where enthusiasts could enjoy a railside holiday, courtesy of the GWR and later British Rail. Today the station building has been lovingly restored by Shelia Bowlam and used as a private dwelling. Shelia has made a serious study of the line and its operations and remembers with affection some of the local experiences which she often relates to walkers and visitors as she serves them tea under the restored station canopy.
So it was Harry's idea. If we were becoming a public attraction, we thought, well, we might as well sit them down, because I spend a lot of my time talking to people. I like people, and most people are interested in a sort of caring, loving sort of way, and of course this side of the house is private from the road. So we started giving people a cup of tea, and that led to a cup of tea and a biscuit, and we gave them a bit more of our time, and then we thought, well, there's a need here, there's a service. So we obtained permission from the local council to offer them cream teas in the garden, and it went from there. And it's a very interesting and absorbing hobby. They get something, we get something, and hopefully everybody goes away happy.